MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks.
You can't miss out on this 2022 Kenworth T680, a 455 horsepower, 12-speed auto, 76-inch raised roof, double bunk, fleet maintained truck, and it's pretty much brand new. It sits at 179,000 on the miles. This truck is loaded. It's got a bunk heater, an 1800-watt inverter with remaining warranties. You've got 12K fronts, 40K rears, a 228-inch wheelbase with a 2.64 rear ratio. You've got 22.5 low pros all around with all aluminum wheels polished for you. You've got a 135 and a 110-gallon fuel tank. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX13 with that PACCAR 12-speed automatic transmission. Inside, you've got diamond VIT interior, a sleeper that has tons of room and storage, and a dash that shines. Come and get this truck. Call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.